All right. In step three, you would have sent out your Louver RFQ to the corresponding vendors. The example we're going to use here, we sent this out to two vendors and going to walk through. You would have sent them exactly the same information. The Louver RFQ, was sent out to the first vendor for the CS louvers, and same for the industrial louvers. So they all got the same information. They got the louver RFQ, a takeoff, and then the specifications. And then you give them a brief information of what to look out for, and then kind of like when you're looking for pricing or expecting louvers by. So that was a part of step three. And then step four is to go through and review the quote, which is what we're going to do here. I'm going to minimize this and minimize this. So behind here, you've got the two quotes from each of the different vendors. So the quote on the left is the one from industrial, and then the quote on the right is the one from CS. A few of the things that we go through, and as you can see, the first thing that stands out is there's two different prices. One is telling us 46,000, and the other one's telling us 29,000, close to 30,000. So that kind of stands out. You kind of want to make a note of that. Why is there a cost difference? And then you can see that, you got a cost difference in square foot difference. You got 502 square feet here. You got 738 square feet. So that's one of the first items that kind of stands out in this quote. Going through, then you notice, okay, you got the right louver. It's a 4-inch deep louver, as we saw from our quote RFQ. They've got the screens. Both of them got the screens in here, and they've got the finished 3-coat finish. We just see the discrepancy in the footage. Okay, as we continue to move along, we're going to check for more items. Like here on the left, you've noticed that their insulated blink-off panel, which was supposed to be a part of the base bid, is actually an added premium. It's $11.85 per square foot, and you'd have to add that to the base number here. So it's a big item to kind of note that you have to include in your base. It's in the specifications that we noted, so we need to include that in our base bid. So it's going to add to that number here. Don't really see it up here on the right where this describes whether it's included or not, but odds are, because this is a lower number, that it's not necessarily going to be included in here. But all right, so what else are you going through here? Do you want to highlight the warranty for the product, and then the finish, and then the extended warranty? A couple items here that are noted here on the left, and then a bunch of different alternate ads here. And then you want to go through some of the exclusions that they're noting here on the right. So, I mean, the big part of this is in reviewing your quotes is you want to, go through this and see if the vendors are apples, and then kind of make a selection based on what you feel is the more complete quote, based on either, they provided all the right information that you requested, or they provided the alternates that you to make your bid complete. So that, is the basics of just kind of going through your quotes, just going thoroughly and doing a comparison, especially if you went out to more than two vendors. So that's it.